At this point, Neil is playing top half guard. I'm not playing anything, I'm getting smashed. So we want it to be where I'm on my side. So we'll start with this basic half guard. Stops him passing to side control, but I'm flat on my back and I don't want to be here. So in order to get out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my half guard and I'm going to put my toes to the mat. Stops him free in this leg. So we're going to be here. In one motion, I'm going to knock the top of his head, little finger pointing up. I'm going to chop the outside leg and I'm going to shrink out all at the same time. It'll look like this. That gives me a little bit of space. Now, from here, I'm going to wind my hand under the chin, bring a knee shield in. So if you just come around here, you can see that he can't punch me with this hand. From self-defense perspective, I can't get punched. This as well, my knee shield and this frame's really stopping him getting punched with this hand much as well. But if he does commit to the punch, that's fine anyway, because I'll take the underhook, which is what I want anyway. But I'm going to force the underhook by attaching my elbow to my knee, and I'm going to sit up onto my elbow, push the knee through, push the elbow through, and I come low on his waist. From there, I'm going to come up, and if you just come around and film what the feet are doing, I've still got my half guard. What I want to do though is switch my feet in this position. So this comes over and pulls his leg out to the side. So I've got an underhook here. Now, here I want to get my knee out. If you just come round to the front, I want to get this knee out here. There's no room to pull it out. I haven't got the dexterity to do that, but that's fine. All I'm going to do is, because I've got this underhook, I'm going to pull the knee right underneath him. So it just comes out there, it's really easy. If you are struggling, you can pull them forward a little bit. Again, from here, this is a good self-defense position, because if he tries to punch me, I can just base him forward. He can't get punched because he needs that hand for base. Anyone above a white belt here will put a whizzer in, which is an overhook. If you just take the whizzer out 1 second, if he doesn't put that whizzer in, I can just pop out and take the back. So we'll put a whizzer in. So all I'm going to do from here is I'm going to take him backwards over his bum. So if I do that, it's easy to fall back. If the knee's available, I'll take the knee. If the foot is available at the back, if his foot is close to you, which is a rookie mistake, I'll grab the top of the foot if you just go round. And again, I'm taking him in this direction over basically his bum. That way, can't base. I don't take him that way. He could stand up on his foot. What I like to do if he does that is I'll match that, and again I'll just take him backwards. Really easy if I take him that way. Just come around the front again for me, please. Yeah, so if he stands up, I'll stand up, and I'll take him that way. 2 things you've got to be wary of. One is that he can uchimata. So if my weight's forward too much, he can sort of throw. He's got the whizzer and he can do an uchimata. So the way I counter that is to be heavy. Now he can't uchimata me. I can't not get thrown this way. Okay. If he does take his hook out, his overhook out, his whizzer, and puts it there, don't actually do this, mate. But now I've got to be wary of the fact he could roll for a knee bar. For now, you know what that means. So if someone has a whizzer, whether they take it out to roll or whether they take it out just because they're inexperienced, if he takes it out, I come and I take the back and I'm heavy on the hips. It stops him being able to roll now. And obviously I would just advance my position to take the back. But he's better than that, he's got his hook in. So let's say I'm trying to drive him back and he's a really strong guy, or he bases on his foot and I can't take him back for whatever reason, it's not working. I'll bring my knee in, I'll cup, or you can underhook the shin, you can underhook the thigh, whatever, but in this instance he's putting weight into me. So what I'll do is, I'll roll. And if we can roll straight back. One little detail here is, I use my left elbow to pinch this hand as I roll. I keep the hand over there, but I pinch. Because the reason is, if I don't do that, as I roll, Neil, take this whizzer out and base over there. You can get caught here. Again, you can advance the position. If we go back one more time. So as he bases up on his leg, as I go to roll, I also pinch. I pinch this arm so he can't take it out. Okay, and that's basically it.